Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Jar files are generally easy to open if your system is set up to handle them correctly. However, what if you're encountering trouble opening jar files unexpectedly? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve the issue and access their contents using Java. Let's go! Even if you have Java installed, outdated versions can sometimes cause jar files not to open properly. Therefore, I recommend uninstalling your current version first for a cleaner installation. Then simply head over to java.com/download and get the latest update. Once you've installed the newest version, you should be able to open jar files without any issues. Typically, after installing Java on your system, jar files are automatically recognized. However, if this isn't the case, you can manually associate them with Java. To do this, right-click on a jar file and select Open With. The Java program should be at the top of the list. If not, click Choose an app from your PC and navigate to the Java folder in your program files. Select the version you have installed, open the bin folder, and choose the java.exe file. If you're still having trouble with jar files, even after trying the previous steps, consider using a handy tool called JarFix. This utility is designed to automatically fix issues with Java file associations on Windows. To download the latest version, click the tag in the top right corner or find the link in the description below. Once downloaded, run the executable file and follow the on-screen instructions. JarFix will scan your system for any problems and guide you through the necessary fixes. After JarFix finishes, it's best to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. If the issue persists, check for file corruption by deleting the jar file and downloading a fresh copy from its original source. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.